Olha só, filho. Ganhei esse kitzão aqui de presente. E bora participar do evento. Vamos dar um rolezinho de leves. E chama que chama.
Você acha esse aquecimento aí, Enzo? Meu Deus. Caraca.
Bem certo.
It's
getting serious now, eh? Oh boy! Não, velho!
Vai mandar capoeira agora. Caralho, meu irmão. Isso aqui é moleque. Não anda, velho. Não!
Você mingou pra caralho.
Mingou, não, mingou.
Não, você mingou.
Mingou.
Você mingou, você esperou aí. Não, mingou ou não mingou?
Mudou, olha lá, mudou.
1, 2, 3 e... 1, 2, 3 e... 1, 2, 3 e...
Ah, não!
Merda!
Adiantou, Renato.
Tentou, mas não deu.
Renatão e Gustavo Pessoa.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as
Mano, do nada, marca Twin, olha lá. Olha isso, marca Twin do nada, vamos seguir ele. Olha aí, o louco, o cara, mano. Vamos ver se ele vai saltar. Ô, louco! bagulho! Ai, caiu! Nossa! Nossa, caiu, viado! Caraca! Ah, tá bem! Você é louco!
Bandeira deve estar pensando, esse cara quer me matar, de certeza, né, melhor. Vai, Bandeira. Olha, chegou não, vamos, vamos, vamos.
Ah, Gabriel, aí você tomou, hein, Gabriel?
Aqui, ó. Pensa no treinamento que tá sendo.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe hard place? Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us...
Tirar a foto dessa turma lá, né? Só esperando, senhor.